Good morning, guys. My name is Nagesh Tompe, and today's video topic is history of Java. And the today's date is 18 January 2024. History of Java. Uh, Java, a versatile and widely used programming language, has a rich history that spans several decades, developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in the mid 1990s. Java was initially conceived as a language for interactive television, but its destiny evolved as it found a niche in the emerging world of the internet. In 1995, the Sun Microsystems officially released a Java, positioning it as a key component for building dynamic and interactive content on the World Wide Web. Its write once run anywhere mantra enabled by the Java Virtual Machine set it apart. This concept allowed Java programs to run on any device with a compatible JVM, irrespective of the underlying hardware or operating system. The late 1990s and early 2000s witnessed the Java's world widespread adoption thanks in part of its incorporation into various web browsers. These moves made it possible for Java applets, small applications designed to run within a web browser, to proliferate. However, as internet technology evolved, the limitations and security concerns associated with Java applets led to their decline. Despite setbacks, Java found a new stronghold in server-side development. Its robustness, portability, and scalability made it an ideal choice for developing large-scale enterprise applications. The introduction of Java 2 platform, Enterprise Edition, further solidified its position in the enterprise domain. The open sourcing of Java in 2006 under the GNU General Public License marked as a significant shift. The move fostered community collaboration and paved the way for various Java-based frameworks and libraries, such as Spring and Hibernate, to flourish. Java's ecosystem become the dynamic, accommodating diverse needs and preferences within the software development community. The Oracle Corporation acquisition of the Sun Microsystems in 2010 raised concerns about Java's future. However, Oracle continued to steward Java, introducing new versions with enhancements and features. The releases of Java 8 in 2014 brought Lambdas and the Streams API, revolutionizing the language's approach to functional programming. Java adaptability became even more evident with the rising popularity of Android, the mobile operating system. Android's adoption of Java as the primary language for app development propelled Java into the mobile space, reaching billions of devices. As the programming landscape evolved, Oracle shifted towards a more rapid release cadence for Java, introducing a time-driven model with a new version of every 6 months. This agile approach aimed to provide developers with more frequent updates and features. Java 11 released in 2018 marked a significant milestone as the first long-term supported version under this new release model. The LTS version ensured extended support and stability for developers, particularly in enterprise environments. The evolution of Java continued with the Project Valhalla and Project Panama, focusing on enhancing performance and the interoperability. Respectively, this initiative aimed to keep Java relevant in the face of emerging technologies and languages. In recent years, the Java community has actively embraced innovations like Graphene, IBM, and Quarkus, pushing the boundaries of what Java can achieve in terms of performance and resource efficiency. That's all about the history of Java. Thank you.